Welcome to our micro-learning channel. In today's video, we would like to decode the genomic advances in sequencing. Our opening slide aims to contrast old and new approaches to sequencing, showing how traditional Sanger methods were accurate but painfully slow and expensive. The Human Genome Project took 13 years and about $3 billion. The right-hand image reminds us that modern medicine, oncology, and population genetics now demand rapid, affordable, high-volume whole genome sequencing. So the technology had to evolve to meet that scale. Here we introduce the NGS paradigm shift. Instead of reading one long strand at a time, a single DNA molecule is turned into millions of short fragments that are processed in parallel for massive throughput. The chart illustrates how parallel processing drove sequencing costs down far faster than Moore's law, pushing the price per genome into the low hundreds and enabling whole genome studies at scale. Library preparation starts by fragmenting genomic DNA into manageable pieces, typically 200 to 500 bases, and attaching short tags or adapters to each fragment. The slide's shredded encyclopedia metaphor highlights how tagging preserves order and identity, so later steps can trace each fragment back to its original context, while making millions of small pieces ready for simultaneous sequencing. Clonal amplification boosts the signal so the sequencer can detect bases reliably, using bridge amplification on a flow cell to anchor single strands, form bridges, and duplicate them through repeated cycles. The process creates dense clusters of thousands of identical molecules, like turning a single whisper into a synchronized choir, producing strong, localized signals that downstream optics can read. Sequencing by synthesis reads the code one letter at a time by adding fluorescently labeled nucleotides in cycles. An enzyme incorporates a matching base, a laser excites the dye, and a high-resolution camera records the color before the dye is washed away and the cycle repeats. The circular infographic emphasizes the 4 steps: wash, enzyme incorporation, laser firing, and camera recording that produce base-by-base digital signals. Finally, raw optical images and color reads are converted into millions of short text sequences, which bioinformatics tools align against a reference genome, like fitting pieces into a jigsaw puzzle. Variant calling software then highlights tiny differences between the sample and the reference, turning those molecular discrepancies into clinically actionable insights for diagnosis, treatment, or research.